This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Cabin air filter replacement. Working under the glove box door, use a screwdriver to push the hinge pins toward the center on each side of the glove box. Then remove the pins from the glove box. Open the glove box, then release the glove box stops at the top of the glove box. Disengage the damper from the side of the glove box door and allow the glove box to be fully lowered. Release the tabs on the bottom of the filter access cover and lift off the cover, disengaging the upper retaining tabs. Remove the filter element from the housing. Install the new filter in the correct orientation as it was removed. Install the filter cover, inserting the top tabs first, and then snap the lower tabs into place. Install the glove box, making sure it snaps into place on the lower pivot and can be fully closed at the top. Install the hinge pin on the right side, then the left side, and check to make sure they are fully seated using a screwdriver. Open the glove box, then release the glove box stops at the top of the glove box. Install the damper from the side of the glove box door, making sure the damper is locked into place. Lift up the glove box until the stops engage the top of the glove box. Close the glove box door.